Youth, it is most important you develop the skill. Without it, you can never be tomorrow's leaders. You will become another ANC/EFF and represent chaos, as you are targeted by the propaganda program. Pan-Africanism has nothing to do with opening borders, nothing to allow foreigners to displace natives, run crime syndicates, make your country lawless. But most importantly, here is a self-test for you. If you believe it is normal and acceptable for foreigners to displace and replace natives from their own economy/country, accept you are a victim of miseducation/misinformation. Responsibility is now yours to find alternative information/data that will actually empower you. South African education system is key in the propaganda program. Radio, TV news, soapies, talk shows are all peddling certain narratives. Be 100% sure of that.
Hamba khona nanga amaphampasi. Uthi uzama ngayo yonke indlela ukuthi ugwema lokho, mhlasimpe uyongena edolobheni, ayikhona. Idolobha ligugile, kuguge yonke into. Yazi lento yamangaza because sizabalaze kakhulu before 1990. Sithi sifuna lelizwe likhululeke. Wafika u1994 abantu bakhululwa. Manje mawuqhathanisa impilo ya before neyamanje ayikhona. During apartheid abantu bebecindezelwa impela. Kodwa izwe beli fresh. Ubuthi mawungena edrobheni ushintsha umoya ubona ukuthi ungena edrobheni. Mawungena eDurban nje noma ungena eMaritzburg ububona ukuthi ngena edolobheni. Ayikhona manje enganza kwethu. Ngeke sikhohlisana ngakhuluma nje acomment othandayo. Waphela khona abantu abahleze bevikela izinto zabo. Hey, sasa siphila isifuseke ezweni. Yakutshena. Yaze laguga izwe.